how much should you actually spend on a point-and-shoot camera? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Kodak PIXPRO FZ45. First up is the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45, priced at just $99. This camera caught my eye for its vibrant red color and sleek design. If you want something reliable and budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. The FZ45 features a 16MP sensor, which means you'll capture clear and vibrant photos without the fuss. Plus, it records in 1080p video, making it great for capturing family moments or vacation highlights. With over 6,100 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's definitely well-received among users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who enjoys casual photography, this camera can handle everyday moments like a pro. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being great. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for short outings or trips, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep an extra pair of AA batteries handy and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out with photography or need a camera for family events. Skip this one if you're looking for highly advanced features or professional quality. For $99, it's a decent value without breaking the bank. Now, if the battery life concern with the FZ45 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kodak PIXPRO FZ55. Next is the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 at $139.99. This blue beauty caught my attention for its slightly higher specs. If you want a bit more flexibility in your shots, this is worth a serious look. With a 16MP sensor and a 5x optical zoom, you can really play around with framing, whether you're inside or out. The adjustable aperture is a nice touch that gives you control over depth of field, helping you achieve those blurred backgrounds that make your subject pop. Plus, it records in 1080p Full HD, which is ideal for those travel videos. It's also got great support for SD cards up to 512 GB, so you won't run out of space anytime soon. Some users mention that it can be a bit bulkier compared to other compact cameras. But honestly, I think it adds to the durability and grip, which is especially useful when you're out and about. This is perfect for you if you want a solid all-around camera for travel and family events. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-slim and lightweight. For the features you get, the price feels justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget. Product number 3, Kodak PIXPRO FZ45WH. Third on the list is another Kodak option, the PIXPRO FZ45WH, priced at $99.94. I love the clean white design, it stands out nicely. If you want a straightforward camera that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. It also shoots in 1080p video, which is great for recording your kids' milestones or travel memories. The 2.7-inch LCD screen is easy to navigate and provides clear views of your shots. It's got over 6,100 reviews and maintains a 4.3-star rating, proving its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for something simple yet effective, this camera fits right in. Here's the thing, if you plan to shoot mainly during the day or in well-lit situations, this shouldn't be much of an issue. This is perfect for you if you want an uncomplicated camera that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you're chasing every detail in low-light environments. For the price, it's a smart buy. Now, if you're in the market for something for the younger ones or those just starting out, the next product is tailored for them. Product number 4, Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 Black. Next up is the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 in black, also at $99.94. This model offers a classic look while retaining the features that make it effective. If you want reliability wrapped in a familiar design, this is worth a serious look. The features are pretty much identical to the white version, with a 16MP sensor and a 4x optical zoom. The 2.7-inch LCD screen makes it easy to share moments instantly. With similar ratings as the others, it's clear this camera is a favorite among casual users. Here's why this matters. If you're looking for a dependable point-and-shoot without the fuss, you'll appreciate this model. Some reviewers found the lack of advanced features disappointing. But honestly, if you want a camera that's easy to use for everyday moments, this won't matter much. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, reliable camera for family events or travel. Skip this one if you need advanced settings for photography. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you're shopping for a gift for younger photographers, the next product is just what you need. Product number 5. Lekran FHD 1080p. Finally, we have the Lekran FHD 1080p camera, priced at an incredible $39.99. This compact camera is perfect for kids, teens, or anyone just starting out. If you want an affordable way to introduce someone to photography, this is worth a serious look. This camera features a 44MP CMOS sensor, which is impressive at this price point, and it shoots smooth 1080p videos. The anti-shake function and 16x digital zoom are excellent for capturing clear shots without blur, even when things get a bit chaotic. It comes with a 32GB card, making it easy to start right away. Now, some users have pointed out that the build quality is not as solid as more expensive cameras. But let's be real, if you're gifting this to a kid or a beginner, they're likely to drop it a few times anyway. This is perfect for you if you want an introduction to photography for kids or teens. Skip this one if you're looking for professional-level quality. For under $40, it's an amazing deal. That wraps up our top picks for point-and-shoot cameras. So we covered some solid options today. The Kodak PIXPRO FZ45, FZ55, FZ45WH, another FZ45 in black, and the Lekran FHD. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, whether you're on a budget or looking for something straightforward. Happy shooting!